storm in Murcia, heavy rains flood the streets, sweep away cars and confine residents. March 6, 2025. The stormy weather has left Lorca with an accumulated amount of 67.8 liters per square meter in just 6 hours, between noon and 6 in the afternoon, the highest figure recorded in the region of Murcia on Thursday, according to data from the rain gauges of the Segura Hydrographic Confederation. The accumulated rainfall in the municipality in 24 hours reaches 104 liters per square meter, and the State Meteorological Agency has again raised the meteorological alert to orange level in the municipality between 5 in the afternoon and 10 at night, with the forecast of accumulated rainfall of 30 liters per square meter in 1 hour. At 5:30 p.m., the City Council posted a message on its social media advising people not to leave their homes and not to use vehicles due to the significant number of streets closed. In addition to dozens of rural roads and those crossed by channels, the RM-D20 regional highway between El Garrabillo and Ramonit remains closed to traffic, but the RM-D11, RM-D19 and RM-D8 roads have reopened. In the municipality, evening classes have been suspended in all educational centers. Municipal sports centers, parks and gardens are closed, and public events and institutional activities have been suspended. Along with Lorca in Guadalentín, the northwest region is also under orange warning for heavy rainfall this Thursday afternoon.